We're Steady State, and we've made a thing that will make your plants f***ing love you. What's more, it's sustainable, really, because we use reclaimed nutrients. What on earth are reclaimed nutrients? So glad you asked. You see, the thing about plant nutrients is a little complicated. Just like us, plants need nutrients to grow. So when nutrients end up in places they belong, it's good. Very good. But when too many nutrients end up in our lakes, rivers, and oceans, it's a problem. A big problem. From the dead zone in the Gulf of Mexico to algae blooms where we live, work, and play.
When nutrients end up in places where they don't belong, we all suffer the consequences.
We say it doesn't have to be this way.
We can reclaim nutrients from waste streams before they reach our lakes and rivers and help return them to the plants that need them in order to grow.
Here's the story. Nutrients are applied to crops to help them grow. When we eat our food, we absorb some of the nutrients from it. But most of them pass through us and end up in our wastewater. That's where we step in. We recover those nutrients and produce pure plant food so we can grow delicious, healthy people food using nutrients that solve environmental problems, not create them. Recovered nutrients can feed plants sustainably while preventing pollution. That's pretty cool. Meet Dan. Dan just received everything he needs to grow and sustain happy plants. He has the perfect soil, the nutrients his plants will need, and the light they crave. Dan feels pretty good about himself for using recycled nutrients. Now he can feed his hungry houseplants the stuff they love, start an outdoor garden, and grow herbs indoors. With just a few minutes each week caring for his plants, he's giving and getting some serious love. No matter your experience with gardening, you can make your plants happy while being a part of the movement toward reclaimed nutrients and reclaimed ecosystem health, so we can have less of this and more of this.